Everybody say cheese. Merry Christmas from the family. Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. This is getting so exciting. So today's video is a little bit different, a little bit out of my comfort zone. No. But I personally am obsessed with Shein. I've been buying from them forever, literally years. And it's been crazy seeing them like evolve from like strictly clothes to like literally everything now that you can imagine. So the last time I was on there, by the way, definitely this is not sponsored at all. I just thought it would be fun. Last time I was on there making an order, like I do all the time, even when I shouldn't, I noticed that they have these cool nail stickers, and I was making a Christmas order. I don't know if this is actually in focus, but I was making like an order of things for Christmas because I am going to be doing a Shein try on haul and review and everything for some Christmas clothing and things like that. And I saw these Christmas nail stickers and I thought it would be so cute and such a good idea to do a little review on them, especially because I am somebody who sucks at doing nails. I did used to get acrylics, and then I started playing the ukulele, so it didn't really work out to have long nails, and so then I just stopped doing that, and they've been looking horrible. So I want to see if this is going to work out for me as someone who is not that good at painting nails, if this is going to be harder or easier, and how they look like, how long they last. So let's get going. So looking at the directions of these nail stickers, it says select the appropriate size for the nail, stick and peel off gently for the nail size for the nail stick. Okay, this put nail sticker to nail surface and rub it gently few seconds. Fold the wrap over the free edge of your nail and file off the excess. Beautiful manicure was born. So I'm not sure, like that's literally what it says. I don't know if this was like, you know, like, I mean, it was made in China, so maybe there was like a little bit of a language barrier there, because beautiful manicure was born. I wish you could see my face. I am like laughing at this. This is really, anyways, let's just see what we've got here. So this is what it looks like out of the package. This is literally, oh, it actually did come with a little file. Okay, so I will use this because the one I had is a little bit beat up. This is actually extremely cute. I'm a huge fan of like miniature things. So anyway, oh, it's blue on the other side. That's really cute. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. I'm just gonna break this open, I guess, and take them out. So I don't know if this is supposed to, oh, okay, that was the bottom. So that's what they look like. They actually don't seem like horrible quality. Like, I've done nail stickers before and they don't seem that bad. These were literally $3, so like the price is right. This is what they look like in the picture, and this is what they look like in person. So I'm gonna see like how similar they're gonna look on me to the picture. I'm like a little bit skeptical, but the directions say, okay, select the appropriate size for the nail stick and peel off gently. So I'm gonna take this because this is like clearly the like big nail. So then I guess we're just putting it on the nail. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, but oh my god, I don't want to make a crease in it. Oh my god, I totally just scratched the heck out of it. And it says you're folding the wrap over the end of the nail, and then you're filing off the excess. That's what you're supposed to do. These aren't that sticky, so that's what I'm kind of scared about. I did grab a, well, if you watched yesterday's video, you'd know this isn't actually top coat, but, that's what I'm going to use it as. So we're filing off the end now. And, you know what? I'm gonna wait until I'm done all of them to show the final product. That actually worked out better than I kind of was, like, worried for. So I'm gonna go on to the next one. I hope I'm putting the right end on the top. Oh, this is not gonna fit my nail at all. Okay, they did give me different sizes. So there's actually a smaller one that I should be using for my pointer because I have pretty small nails, I guess. So now I'm going to put this on my pointer nail. Oh my god, I totally did that crooked. I like, though, that when you're doing your nails with stickers, you don't have to wait for them to dry. Can you even see what I'm doing? I don't really know. Oh. So that's like, honestly, this is actually going pretty good. So then we got this goldish one, and I think this is gonna actually fit. Like, oh, this isn't a goldish, but it has that weird gold little thing at the top. I'm trying to not touch the bottoms as much as possible, but it is kind of hard. So, being careful to stick this on right. Fold it over the end. Smooth down the sides more. And then file off the excess. Oh yeah, I'm not using the little file. I could actually see myself buying more of these things. This is going pretty good. Oh my gosh, I'm never gonna be able to do my other hand though. For sure. I'm gonna have to get someone to help me, I think. But that's okay. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna get someone to help me because, I want this to be like a fair review. You know how hard it really would be if you were doing it all yourself. So I'm not gonna cheat. I'm gonna do it. You see, I really like this plaid one. I think that's cute, and it like looks like you're a professional because how would you have done that, you know, with nail polish? So these are actually going on really good. I'm actually really surprised and kind of impressed with myself because I wasn't sure how well I'd be able to do them myself, being not good at anything that females are usually good at. I'm so excited. I have a couple story times planned that I'm hoping to do for you guys that have a coronavirus love story. Like someone I started dating during the pandemic, so it's like really weird to have, you know, started a relationship. We're not dating anymore, but I still thought it would be entertaining for you guys, and maybe if you are trying to find love in coronavirus, then you can have some hope. I mean, he found love, I didn't, so I had to break up with him, but, you know, anyways, so what I'm gonna do, guys, is now that I have all of these on, is it focused? Now that I have all of these on, I'm actually gonna take my top coat, or clear, whatever this is, and I'm gonna go over them just to make them a little bit more shiny and strong. This is technically like nail strengthener or something it's called. So, and then I'm gonna do my right hand off camera, but I will show it to you when I'm done. And my nails on my other hand are a little bit longer, so don't judge me when you see my hands together. So this is what they look like before they're dry. I feel like really embarrassed showing you guys my fingers because they're disgusting. My nails are literally disgusting. So I hope you can see. So I'm gonna come back after I'm done and we're gonna judge these together. Okay, so my final verdict. Honestly, I have to say I am pretty pleased. So these are my nails. They actually look pretty good. For $3, it's a lot better than I expected, and it wasn't incredibly hard to do. I feel like I expected it to be a lot harder to do my right hand using my left hand. I do feel like if I had gotten one of my sisters to do these on me, they would have looked a lot better. However, that's the point that I'm trying to, try out, is this completely beginner friendly? Can anybody do this? But for $3, I really would recommend getting these, at least, if you have like an event where you want your nails to look nice. Get them and just do it earlier that same day, because I feel like these wouldn't last a long time. But I did put top coat on, so maybe I'll mention in one of my later videos how long these did last on my nails, because I feel like they're not the most sturdy, I don't know. But overall, I would recommend these for $3. I mean, it was a fun thing to do, made me feel a little bit professional, because they look pretty good, like for $3. And they have literally so many different colors and patterns to choose from, so really fun thing to do. And I do believe that they also actually have fake nails now on Shein, so if you would like me to review those, let me know. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more of this type of video, because this is pretty much what Vlogmas is going to be like. Fun, trying things out, reviewing things, and there's a little bit of a Christmas flair to it because I am festive, okay? So thank you for watching. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see in the future, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hallelujah, everybody say cheese. Merry Christmas from the family.